usually unfold when a nation stumbles upon a potential game-changer like this. The first step will be geological confirmation. Scientists and mining authorities will need to verify the size, quality, and depth of the deposits. Early samples may sparkle, but only a detailed survey will determine whether Spanish Town is sitting on scattered stones or a massive, continuous reserve. Next comes valuation reports. Independent experts will estimate how much of the deposit can realistically be mined, how much it's worth on today's market, and what global supply chains might look like if Jamaica enters the opal business. Then comes the toughest part, government policy. Jamaica will need to establish clear mining regulations, licensing frameworks, and environmental protections. Without those, the floodgates could open to exploitation, corruption, and chaos. Once frameworks are set, licensing and bidding wars will begin. Expect companies from